Hey, welcome back to the channel. This is PowerStroke Maintenance. We're actually in Michigan to do this April truck update with DS Trucks and PTT with A-Rod. So I am going to go through the update, how many miles are on the truck, what maintenance I've done, and the modifications, which we are doing a couple things.
What up, what up?
What up? We are doing the Disaster Prevention Kit, A-Rod's putting on, and DS Trucks is putting on a block heater for me because my truck did not come equipped with that. So I am actually driving with my wife out to Colorado. So since my last update, and we are almost at the end of April, the truck now has 93,109 miles on it. So we're getting up there. As I mentioned last time, I've already done all my 100,000 mile service items. We did both differentials. We did the transfer case fluid. I've already done the trans fluid, and I did an oil change at 90K. So probably when I get to Colorado, I'll do another oil change when I get to 95. But we're cruising and we're stacking up the miles, and we're gonna get to 100K hopefully this year. All right, so this month I have done a few things in terms of maintenance, mostly with the tires and then wheel alignment. So I did have a tire rotation at 92, and then I also actually rebalanced all four of my tires in Pennsylvania because when we were driving there on our way to Michigan, I noticed a vibration and the tires were wearing kind of funny. The edges were getting a little bit scalped off. So I had them balanced at a shop, great place, Tire Town in State College, Pennsylvania. They were super helpful, especially for someone who's out of state. And I think the balance was like 93 bucks for all four, and they're oversized, you know, they're 35 1250s, so they're not small tires. So in terms of modifications, I earlier this month on the 1st installed the Fox ATS steering stabilizer. I also replaced the sway bar bushings on my stock sway bar. Right now, I'm actually, DS Trucks just installed a block heater because my truck didn't come with it. So I have this little dongle here now to plug into, and then we got the, let's see if I can grab this light. If you look back in there, you'll see, probably, maybe not. There you go. You can kind of see it a little bit. That little dongle back in there is the block heater that they put in. So, yeah. We're here with the legend himself, PTT. So PTT, I wanted to ask, what is the #1 thing recommendation you would give a 6.7 PowerStroke owner when they buy these trucks?
The first one I would say right off the rip would be to subscribe to my channel and check out the playlist. I have playlists categorized for 7.3, 6.7, coolant leaks, check engine lights, and one of the most popular ones is maintenance. And getting on the right maintenance plan, 5,000 miles or 200 engine hours, however you're using the vehicle, and that's up for debate. We have a lot of topics. We talk about this kinds of stuff on the live stream we do every Wednesday. DS Trucks, he's here. Oil is one of his favorite subjects, and Ford Boss Me too, if you are following him on YouTube. But maintenance, fuel filters is probably one of the #1 things that you have to worry about on a diesel because of the CP4 and the high pressures. There's no way we're going to get 30,000 PSI out of these high pressure fuel systems unless we have clean filters and clean fuel and so forth. So find yourself a good dealer or make a trek to Detroit as Harry has, and get your truck serviced, whether it's warranty or like we're doing today. We just put the S&S Disaster Prevention Kit on his truck, and now he's got a little bit extra filtration with the fuel that's going back to the tank, because we kind of forget about that and don't filter anything that's being used and going back to the tank. So
yeah, you heard the man. Come out and see him. Incredible amount of knowledge and skill with this, and I am very grateful for him making time for us. And so that's the April truck update. Truck looks great. We're gonna put another 2,000 miles on it here, and yeah, subscribe to PTT with A-Rod and learn about these trucks and do your maintenance.